Number 4 on our list is the Breville VBL 241 Blend Active Blender Compact Food Processor. This blender is a standout performer due to its compact yet versatile design. Brought to you by Breville, it functions both as a blender and a compact food processor, making it a dual. Breville VBL 241 consistently receives high user ratings. Customers applaud its user-friendly interface, efficient blending capabilities, and the convenient blend-and-go bottle. Reviewers also praise its quiet operation, a feature often overlooked in blender design but greatly valued by users who appreciate a morning smoothie without disturbing the rest of the household. As for specifications, the Breville VBL 241 is equipped with a robust 300-watt motor, a 600 ml BPA-free bottle, and dishwasher-safe removable parts for easy cleaning. Its compact design means it can fit comfortably in any kitchen, regardless of size. In summary, the Breville VBL 241 offers versatility, compactness, power, and convenience.